Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach the new chapter from the book Hornbill, and the topic is Discovering Tut, the Saga Continuous by A.R. Williams. Students, I will teach in this chapter that how the young king Tut died, and when he was died, then he was buried in the graveyard, and after many years, his dead body was taken out for the observation, and experts wanted to know the genuine reason of the death. At last, they came to know that the real reason of his death was only the curse of Pharaoh, curse of the god, and thereafter once again he buried inside the grave. So students, I am going to explain these all the things in very details. Student, discovering truth, the saga continuous gives an insight into the mystery surrounding of the life and death of Tut, the last teenage ruler of the powerful Pharaoh dynasty that had ruled Egypt for centuries. He was the last of his family, means last ruler of his family line, and his funeral brought an end to this powerful dynasty. Means when Tut died, that was the ending point of his dynasty. Not much is known about his family. Tut's father's arrogant father, Amenhotep III, was a powerful pharaoh. Means his grandfather was a powerful pharaoh who ruled for about 4 decades during the dynasty of Golden Age. Means Tut's grandfather age was known as a golden age in the history of Tut's family background. His son Amenhotep IV shocked the country by attacking Amun, a major god, smashing his image and closing all his temples. This was against the system, against the rules, against the ill behavior presented by the king against the god. He changed his name to Akhenaten and promoted the worship of Aten, or the sun disk. After his death, a mysterious ruler, Samenkhare, appeared briefly and excited with hardly a trace. When Tut took over, he changed his name from the Tutankhaten or other's name and restored the old ways. However, Tut ruled for 9 years and then died. Means the time of Tut was only 9 years, and after 9 years he died mysterious and unexpectedly. The death of Tut was completely mysterious. In order to unravel the mystery of his death, King Tut's mummy was scanned after 1,000 years, thus opening a new perceptions regarding the cause of his death. Means after his death, his body was taken out after thousands of years, and it was observed properly that what was the genuine reason, actual reason of his death. In 1922, his tomb was discovered by Howard Carter, who used all kinds of means to remove Tut's mummy from the coffins. Means under the noble supervision of Howard Carter, his mummy was taken out from the burials. The ritual resins had hardened, thereby cementing Tut to the bottom of his solid gold coffin. Carter finally had to chisel the mummies away, having no other option. Every major joint was severed. In 1968, an anatomist professor X-rayed the mummy and revealed that Tut's breast bones, and front ribs were missing. Such a revelation would not have been possible without technological precisions. This fact gives us clues that Tut in all likelihood did not die a natural death. Means after the observation, it was found that Tut was not died the natural death. He died due to the means curse of Pharaoh. This was the actual reason of his death. So student, in this chapter I taught the reason of the death of the Tut, and when the public were in the mysterious condition, they had desire that how their king died. Then they took the means body of the Tut, took the means taken. They also taken the body of the Tut outside of the grave and observed it. It was observed by the expert and found that the actual reason of his death was only the curse of Pharaoh. Thank you.